Right, as you can see, I've made this jig for the wheels. You can see the center is 1/8 of an inch or 3mm higher than that, so when the rim is in and the hub is in, it makes the rim 1/8 of an inch out. I'll show you on the drawing. The centre line of the cast hub is 1/8 of an inch that way of the rim. So if the smoke box was here and then that's mounted on the axle, then the rim is out by 1/8 of an inch away from the smoke box. So that raising that up 1/8 of an inch, or lowering that down 1/8 of an inch, that makes that right. And then of course now I've got to drill and bend the spokes to fit. Right, I've drilled all the spokes and all the holes in the rims, so we're nearly ready for final assembly of the two front wheels.